Hi, you're right. Time for a motorbike update. I can't ride the motorbike at the moment because, as you know, it's off the road. But what I'm going to do now is just show you where we're at, because it's actually going in for repair very soon. Okay, right. So this is the motorbike in its current state before it gets repaired. You know, I've got the massive panniers for either side here, and the nice trunk, which is like a Harley trunk really. And I've even got another one now, which I'm not going to show you. I haven't got it here, but it's another kind of leather pannier which goes here when I'm not carrying a tent. So I've got a ridiculous amount of space when I'm traveling, really, particularly with hotels. Otherwise I've got a heavy tent and sleeping bag and camping gear. But hey, you know, it's just great to like kind of to have gotten this far from, you know, thinking that the bike was gone forever. Suddenly it's starting to look okay again. But I'll tell you what, I'm having really big problems with the new dashboard here, because I don't know quite what's going on. I've got to work out exactly how to deal with this. I'll show, well, we're going to do that now. There's no electrics on the bike at the moment, unfortunately. But otherwise it's looking good. Apart from actually the very the mudguard here at the back here. In a previous video you might have seen, I'd like kind of demonstrate what they did here. They've cut that off. They cut the light off. I've got the light. You might have seen it in a previous video. Haven't got the indicators yet, so they'll have to come from China unless I can order them between now and the end of the week, maybe. I don't know how long that'll take. If the dealership says, oh, you're gonna have to wait like 3 weeks or something, I'll say, well, fuck off. I'll get them myself, because I can get them for £100. But you know, it's quite a lot to pay really, just for 2 indicators, isn't it? You know, I mean, I paid £100 for the replacement mudguard for that one, which isn't even it's not even a gloss one. It's a matte black one, but I couldn't see the colour properly on eBay. You know, I got the light. I've got the base for the light as well. I've got lovely panniers. I've got a lovely, you know, so you know, this is a good thing that came out of the bike being sold. I've got an amazing arrangement for the you know, for touring, for traveling. But the thing is, look, just now as it is, just as a kind of bobber style kind of thing, really, which is what it looks like, because it's stripped back. You know, it's going to feel brilliant, really. It's so light. You know, it's got nothing on the back. If I can sort out the front, you know, well, once I've dropped my stuff off at like kind of hotels, it will be able to go up proper hills, you know, again. Not that it was ever any good at kind of 30% hills and stuff, but it will be a bit better if I've got, because you know, the existing weight on the back is now gone. And when you've only got you've got very poor torque, you've got low capacity engine, you know, so it's never going to be a Harley. It's never going to be anything remotely like a Harley. I'm taking my full test. I've done something on a 650. I'll be doing more 650 stuff on a different 650 soon with a different riding school. You know, as soon as I can, really. I mean, I'm taking my theory test very soon. That will be on the 22nd. But you know, I mean, I can't afford a bigger motorbike at the moment, and nor can I do Uber Eats on a 650. It would be ridiculous, you know. So this bike is like a kind of, it's a compromise, but I love it, and I've always loved it, and it's going to look even better soon. I've got plans here. I don't know what you think about this, but what I was going to do is like paint this bit red, gloss red. I bought the paint, and then get you know kind of advertise the YouTube and music channels on here. And then at the front here as well, on the windshield, which is like standard if you're like kind of doing like motovlogs and stuff, you know, you'd have like all the stuff here. Not sure it would make that much difference, but it's just something. It's a change. It's looking up as opposed to looking backwards and saying, hey, I've got to just fix this thing. But I don't know, you can see now, hang on, just let me, can I get the right angle here? It's hard because I'm just like, I can't really see what you can see, but it's kind of, no, if you, yeah, it's very kind of bobber-like from certain angles at the moment, because it's, you know, it's high at the front and low at the back, and it's very obviously stripped back as well. And I think that's a good look in itself, you know. And it's great to have two kind of alternatives for the same machine. Anyway, okay, time to look at the front. Well, there's another screen van passing, you may have noticed. Yeah, okay. This is the front of the bike. I'll let you see what the plan is. Yeah, basically, got like the camera that I'm filming with here is the iPhone camera, which means that I can't put it where it's probably going to be now. I've switched places with, I've switched my plan. I'm going to put the iPhone in the top. That will go kind of here, right? Hang on. That will go in this one. No, it's quick release. Everything is quick release. The luggage is quick release as well. And yeah, that will be okay for doing Uber Eats. Actually, I can't easily fit that in because it's too thick, but the iPhone's cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some. I'm looking at it now. You can't see it. I've lost the magnet that goes with the inside of this, but I can like put little magnets. I've got them there to put on the back here. Yeah, that will secure it while I'm constantly. You know, when you're doing Uber Eats, you're constantly stopping and things. And so what this means is that you have to be very quick with everything you do. It's bang, bang, bang. You know, because you've got customers, pressure from your customers, pressure from your restaurants, everything. So the only thing that will be quick, okay? Because what I'm going to do, this is my charger, yeah, and I can as you see, there are two outputs. So you've got that's just for charging the charger itself. So my charging block goes in here, yeah. Just slots in there, and then I've got one. That one will go to the iPhone. That one will go to the iPhone, yeah, in the top there, and the other one will stay inside, and that will go to this Huawei, okay, which is now my main. Well, it's going to be my main phone quite soon. I haven't really set everything up on it yet, but yeah, my elevation. I can't go live here at the moment because my internet is up in that building and it doesn't reach to here. Yeah, although this one has internet that's filming at the moment, but so what I'll have to do to show you my elevation app is just find a screenshot of it. Hang on, don't know whether you can see that. I guess it's going to be out of focus. Sorry, I don't know how long it'll take it to focus. I'm not on that side of the camera at the moment. Hang on. Shit, man. Oh right, gallery. Yeah, it looks different on this phone. There you are. Okay, so that's my elevation app. That can go in the bottom one here. Yeah. That just slips in there. Well, I'll better move the phone, I suppose, in a minute. That just slips in the top there. Okay, sorry, I can't. It's not doing what I want it to. I've just got to carry on doing what I'm doing. Yeah, this is the. I'll have to move the phone. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, well, the sun's shining anyway, so you can't see much, can you? But hey, I can probably do a bit better than that. Hang on. Sorry, I'm trying here. It's really difficult. Okay. Oh, for fuck's sake, it ain't even going on. No, it's got better. There you go, Tom. Right, so this one at the top will be the Uber Eats app, which you've obviously seen before. The My Elevation app, I don't know why that's gone off because I've set it for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes or something before it sleeps, and yet it's just gone off again. I don't understand this at all, sorry. There you go. Fuck off. I just hate technology when it doesn't obey me. You know, I smash things up. I've smashed things up worth hundreds of pounds before because I've got no fucking patience. But anyway, yeah. And what's going on there with it? Sorry, I'm just looking at those lines. Hang on a sec. Right, have they gone? Yeah, they've gone. Sorry, that was just the lens. But yeah, if you can see my issue here, my problem. That's kind of going to be in the way of the ignition, yeah, which is the big issue at the moment, because I'm going to be like stopping and starting all the time, taking my key in and out. And if it was like on that side, really, it'd be better. But then you're obscuring the speedometer again, which I never really liked. Sorry, I'll just take the phone off the fucking tripod. I'm trying, okay? I get so stressed. Okay, here we are. Yeah, right, so far I've explained what's going on with the ignition, and the problem with the kind of obscuring. I mean, I don't watch the rev meter that much, but it's nice to be able to see it, and I won't be able to see that at all, unfortunately. That's bigger than the iPhone, so you know, I mean, that looks a bit clunky at the moment, but that should be okay, I think. Yeah, the other thing I've got going on here, that's one of the magnets, by the way. The other thing I've got going on is this. This is like, I've got a second GoPro now, so I've got one on my helmet, obviously, but I've got a second one. And this just like clips onto here, so I'll now have one facing as well, which is normal for motovlogs, yeah. So if you see, like, kind of, if you put that back where it was, things are starting to look a little bit crowded, aren't they? I think, but there's not much I can do about that. The other thing is these mirrors, yeah. I can't get them on. They won't quite fit. They almost fit, but they don't. So I can't get this out. I've tried to get that out. I can't. So I'm going to ask the dealership to do that when they repair the bike. So it's going to look quite different. You know, this obviously, you know where that goes. That just hangs on the front. I need that. I can't do without that when I'm doing Uber Eats. You need, you know, that just hangs on there. Yeah. And the reason we need that is because otherwise we can't hear the app through the iPhone speakers, because you know, you can't hear anything. They're shit. iPhone 8 speakers are absolute bollocks. So yeah, if I don't have that, then I can't hear the alerts for taking the job. Yeah. So that's kind of where things are at the moment. Anyway, sorry, I'm a bit stressed. I'm trying to like kind of just get everything right. Okay, so that's, you can see where things are. As far as I'm concerned, it's looking okay, considering what it's been through, you know. And it should be, you know, provided that there aren't any big like problems with the loom. You know, they might say, hey, we need a new loom because the wires have been tugged, you know. Beyond that, there's no bent forks. There's nothing obviously really very badly wrong with it. They did 25 kilometers after they stole it. Which isn't like that bad, you know what I'm saying? They could have, it doesn't seem to have been in a crash or anything. They did crack the windshield, but I think that's when they were trying to, if I move this, you can see it maybe. You can see it there, yeah. But they were trying to get that off. They were trying to nick it, because like, you know, they nicked the side backs, they nicked the original top case, which was rubbish compared to the new one. They nicked the existing, you know, the bar end mirror that I put on before, which wasn't very good, really. Well, the mirror was okay. I just didn't put it on very well, so it was like, you know, jittering and stuff. It was rubbish, really, on a practical level. So that had to go anyway. And so you know, I've ended up buying more stuff, decent stuff, and hopefully the you know, dealership will sort this out for a few £100. But hey, I've spent so much already. I'll be really fucking crucified if they say no, it's a write-off. You know, there's a crack in the frame, or there's, you know, I don't know. I mean, I'm not an expert. You know, I'm just looking at it. It looks okay. So the police said it looked fine, but they're not motorcyclists either, most of them, are they? So anyway, love you, leave you. Please subscribe if you want to. I don't want to force people to subscribe. There'll be more music coming soon. Lots of music coming, actually. New music, and also motovlogs with some like kind of remixes of back catalogue and things. Right, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.